Welcome to Queens, New York City, where the world converges in one vibrant borough. If you're planning a trip to the Big Apple, make sure to carve out time to explore this dynamic part of the city. Queens is not just another borough, it's a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and communities. Imagine stepping into a world where over 800 languages are spoken, making it the most linguistically diverse place on the planet. Start your adventure at Flushing Meadows-Corona Park, the borough's crown jewel. Home to the iconic Unisphere, a relic from the 1964 World's Fair, this park is a slice of history. Stroll around the Queens Museum located within the park to view the panorama of the city of New York, a stunning scale model of the city, offering a bird's-eye view of the metropolis's intricate landscape. Your next stop should be Arthur Ashe Stadium, the grand theater of the US Open, where tennis legends cement their legacies. If you're visiting in August or September, don't miss the thrill of seeing top athletes compete on this international stage. As you journey through Queens, head toward Astoria, a neighborhood celebrated for its eclectic night scene and cultural richness. Astoria Park offers the perfect setting for a leisurely walk or a picnic. Take a plunge in its large public pool, one of the city's best-kept secrets, or catch a glimpse of the historic Hell Gate Bridge, a marvel of engineering that echoes the borough's unique blend of the past and modernity. No trip to Queens would be complete without indulging in its diverse culinary offerings. Explore the bustling streets of Jackson Heights, home to a rainbow of ethnic eateries where the flavors of India, Nepal, Colombia, and beyond tempt your taste buds. Every meal here is a journey across continents without ever leaving the borough. The Little Egypt area in Astoria also promises a plethora of Middle Eastern delights. Moving through the borough, make sure to visit Long Island City, once an industrial hub now transformed into a haven for art enthusiasts. The Museum of the Moving Image in Astoria offers an engaging look into the history of film and television, showcasing dynamic exhibits that captivate visitors of all ages. While in Long Island City, why not venture into MoMA PS1 to immerse yourself in contemporary art installations that push the boundaries of creativity? As evening approaches, relax with a drink at one of the many rooftop bars in Gantry Plaza State Park, marveling at the majestic sunset over the East River. For those craving a taste of local culture, venture to Queensbridge Houses, the largest public housing development in North America, where hip-hop legends like Nas have their roots. Experience the pulsating street art that decorates the borough, painting a vivid picture of its community spirit.